So there you go, guys. The Fondmetal 20x10.5s are installed. Now, it is quite different from my other SL500 because, again, this is the ABC suspension. So it sits up a little higher. Its lowest setting is not as low as my SL500 was. Nonetheless, it is a very good look. Very aggressive, and very safe. Now, once I pull these ABC struts out, I will have the car lower probably by about an inch. To me, that's the perfect look of the car, is for it to be lowered about an inch from the factory height. But it is a very, very, very good look. Yep, these wheels really look good on this car. Really looks good on this car. And again, you have that tapered edge so that if the body does drop down low on it, it clears the tire. Same thing in the front. Even with the spacers, I'm able to still clear the front tires if the car were to drop. And if you're looking down at it, it does come out past the car. The rim does, but the tire does not. The top of the tire, the edge of the tire is inside that wheel well. And so that's what you want. All right, just like that. All right, so again, I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with how it turned out. I will roll this until I need to pull these ABC struts up out of here and put the coilovers. And I have a feeling it will happen sooner than I realize, sooner than I expect, because it's just a peace of mind for me. You know, I push the coilovers for a reason. It's a peace of mind. Me and my wife go out in this car, man, on a nice drive out of town or something like that, and not have to worry about this ABC failing and then getting it towed all the way back home. Not why I buy these cars. I don't buy these cars in hopes of them not failing. I buy these cars with the reassurance that it won't fail because I remove the ABC suspension. I make sure that every time I pull this car out and put it on the road, it's not going to fail. And the only way I can bulletproof this is by removing the ABC suspension. It was a great suspension when it was new. It's a great suspension still to this day if it works. But when it doesn't work, it's not a great suspension. Time to go. Time to go. I see this right here. I got to do this. All these SLs eventually had this issue right here. That clear coat peels. It's just plastic. Now this thing can pop out. And you can paint it, put it back on. I think my other car, I want to put in like a wrap, like a vinyl wrap, a black gloss wrap on there. And at some point it started to bubble up because air started to get in from the sides. So there's a couple options for here. I'll go ahead and take advantage of that at some point, you know, fix that, make it look nice. But I love this panoramic roof right here. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love that. So yeah, this car is nice, man. Tinted windows is next. Got to do that. Got to do that. I put that mirror right there too, the replacement glass. It just sticks on top of it directly. The old glass, adhesive back, double-sided tape, boom. Takes care of that. All right, so I'm happy. I'm satisfied. It's a nice look. I just need to go ahead and decide when I'm going to do the coilovers. But it's a nice look. It definitely brings out the beauty of this car. These wheels do. The other wheels were through. I didn't like them. These wheels right here actually match the grill better. It's a very, 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 very clean look. Now this car looks like something. See, wheels can make a big difference on a car. This is evidence of. All right, so more videos to come. I'll keep you posted. All right, go with Element Autoworks. I'm out.